and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a very fun video when I'm going to be sharing up with you guys some of my favorite summer essentials, and there's going to be two categories. One is fashion and one is beauty. So without wasting any much time, let's get started. So to begin with, let's start off with the very first category, that is fashion. And from fashion, let's begin with whatever I'm wearing today. So this top is from Sarojini Nagar market that I recently visited in February during my north trip. So this kind of top is something that is really trending these days, and floral prints are usually my kind of look in summers. So I love wearing florals, I love wearing pink. This is something which is very breathable and which looks very elegant, very classy and very chic. So the next top that I'm going to be sharing up today is for my girls who likes wearing spaghettis and tubes. This one is for you, and this is the top that I got from H&M. You must have seen this in my H&M haul. It is a basic pink tube top. You can wear this top under jacket, or you can simply wear it like that if you're comfortable. So this is something that is a must-have in summers. Summers are when we like to experiment with colors, and this is something that I love wearing it. So the next top is again from H&M, and it is from their bodysuit collection, and this is how it looks. It is a bodysuit, and this is a very pretty top with all the leaves detailing going on. It has a tie-up knots here, so it looks very summery and also gives a very bohemian vibes. So the last and final top wear is again from H&M, and it is their jumper, and this is a floral jumper. This is for someone who likes wearing bright colors in summers, and it looks very florally and very pretty. So this top gives a very beachy vibes, and I feel like going to some beach or Goa, but abhi COVID hai, so we can't do anything. We'll use it later. So next up I'm going to be showing is a bottom wear, and I just have one bottom wear to show it to you guys because jeans is something that is not very comfortable in summers. It's very thick and it feels very sweaty. So this is a kind of bottom that I would love to wear during summers. So it is a flared pants. So this is a cotton pant and has a pack style, so it looks very cute and very summery and very breathable and very comfortable. So since we are in fashion category, I would like to share it with you guys some of the fashion accessories that you should have during summers. And the very first thing that I would love to show it to you guys is a pair of sunglasses. For summers you should always have a UV protection sunglasses, but abhi ye video ke liye I chose to use a very fun sunglasses that I own, and it looks very summery, very colorful, and these are the glasses that I love wearing in summer. It is so florally and so pretty, looks very cute, and yeah, so this is something that I love wearing in summers, but ये सिर्फ कहीं घूमने गए थोड़े टाइम के लिए ठीक है. Otherwise you should always wear a UV protection sunglasses. So the next item for this video and very essential in summer is a beautiful cap. बेसिक कैप होना ज़रूरी है, ब्यूटीफुल वो सेकेंडरी है. सो यू शुड ऑलवेज हैव अ बेसिक कैप, and try if you can find such pastel colors in cap because these colors are really very trending these days. So this year it doesn't matter whatever you have क्योंकि कहीं जाना तो नहीं है, but having a basic cap is a necessity in summers क्योंकि धूप बहुत होती है. मुंबई का summer this year is terrible. So next item from fashion category is a bag that I love. So this is a very bohemian beachy kind of bag. इसको ऐसे लेके मेरा इतना मन था ये साल मैं ऐसे लेके मम्मी के साथ थोड़ा घूमने से बीच पे जाऊँ सनग्लासेस लगा के, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुंबई का बीच इज़ नॉट अ बीच एंड गोवा वी कांट गो दिस ईयर. सो ये बैग is a must and it looks very cute and summers के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है. So I like this one. So the final item from this fashion category is again a bag, and this time it's a colorful sling bag. So this is how it looks. It is very colorful and very florally. So it has these pom-poms. This bag is very old. It is almost 3-4 years old, but I like this bag. This is very colorful, very me, and I like wearing such bags in summers. So let's start with the second category, that is beauty. And for beauty, the very first thing that I like to show you guys is a Savlon Wet Wipes pack. So I have recently bought this pack in a mini size and I loved it क्योंकि summer इतना है और बार बार पसीना आता है, so something hydrating is needed to your skin. So this is something that I've ordered recently and I'm loving it. So इसीलिए मैं ये दिखा रही हूँ आप लोगों को. So this is a bigger pack and you can also get a smaller version of it. So this is really helpful in summers. So since we are talking about the hydration, I would like to share it with you guys. This plum face mist that I've again recently ordered. I've almost finished it. इतना I hope you can see it. इतना मैंने finish कर दिया है. So this is very hydrating and it has
aloe vera in it, it has leaf juice, it has hibiscus, it has castor oil in it, it has fruit oil, niacinamide, glycerine, and it has little fragrance.
So I'm loving this one and it is very needed for summers. If you don't want to try this one, you can also use a normal rose water for skin hydration in summers. So the next item is something that I use every single day since years and it is this Fiyama shower gel. So I'm in the fragrance peach and avocado. इसमें बहुत सारे fragrances आते हैं. But I personally love this one. So this is a bigger bottle. इसमें छोटा size भी आता है and I can't even remember मैंने कितने सारे ऐसे bottles ख़त्म किए होंगे, but I only use this one. So since we are talking about bath essentials, I would love to share my skin cleanser and this is from Cetaphil. It's a gentle skin cleanser. ये मैंने अभी bigger bottle बनाया and this is 1 liter. पर इसके पहले मैंने उसके वो छोटे छोटे जो आते हैं 100 ml 250 ml वो वाले मैंने कितने बॉटल्स ख़त्म कर दिए थे एंड वो जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाता है, तो बार मंगाने से अच्छा आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट ऑर्डर 1 liter वाला. So this I've recently ordered and this is very good for sensitive skin.
So this is face and body all skin types, daily care for all skin types, moisturizes as it cleanses, soap free and non-irritating, won't sting eyes and hypoallergenic.
So this is something that I love using. My skin is very sensitive, so मैं कोई भी ऐसे ही face wash सूट नहीं होता है. So I personally use this one. Since my cleanser is from Cetaphil, I also use a moisturizer from the same range.
And it is again face and body all skin types. It is long-lasting hydration for daily use. It is non-greasy, non-irritating, won't clog pores and hypoallergenic, same like the skin cleanser.
So the very must-have in summer is definitely a sunscreen lotion, and I'm using the one from Neutrogena. It's Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50+. So this is a broad spectrum sunscreen with UA and UVB. So I love wearing this sunscreen. So sunscreen is something that you should wear every single day, be it summers or not. It is very useful for your skin and it is a must-have in your vanity. Summers are usually very greasy, very sweaty, and I hate summer season. But for summers, you should definitely have a nice roll-on, and I'm using from Rexona Powder Dry Underarm Odor Protection. So this is 48 hours antiperspirant sweat guard roll-on. Since we're talking about the fragrances, I would like to mention that everyone should own a perfume in their bag. And I'm using Solitaire perfume and I don't know from where I got this one, but everyone should have a perfume in their vanity or in their bags in summers because
We don't want to spell bad way.
so the next essential that everyone should have in summer is a pee safe. Not only in summer but also in other seasons, you should definitely have a pee safe with you guys. It is a toilet seat sanitizer spray. So this protects from germs in 10 seconds is what is written in this, and this is again dermatologically tested. It is in the scent floral. So this is something that you should definitely have. How to use this is
You should shake the bottle, spray from 25 cm distance and wait for 10 seconds to evaporate.
So this is how you should use this P-Save, and it is a must have. During summers your hair tends to be very greasy, and whenever you wash your hair you should definitely use a nice fragrance serum, and I'm using L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Hair Serum.
So this is for versatile use, extraordinary moisture, sumptuous softness and luxurious shine.
So this is something that I'm currently wearing, and मैंने इतना ख़त्म भी कर दिया है, and everyone should have at least one serum in their bag. So this not only manages your hair but it also gives a nice fragrance to your hair in summer, which is very needed. So next up is from makeup category, and summers में we usually don't do makeup. मतलब मैं तो नहीं करती हूँ इतना makeup, ये videos के लिए ही जो करती हूँ वही है. बाहर जाने टाइम I really don't use that much makeup. एक लिपस्टिक लगा लिया, काजल लगा लिया, थोड़ा सा पाउडर लगा लिया, that's it. So summers के लिए मेरा basic essentials जो है that I'm gonna share it with you guys. First of all, you should definitely own a nice colorful nail paint, and इस पे कुछ नहीं लिखा है ये कहाँ का है, कौन से ब्रांड का है, but this is very long lasting. It doesn't chip off easily. So ये एक fun color है, blue color है. I like these colors, and summers में ना ऐसे fun colors बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. It looks very bright. I'm a kind of person that loves bright colors, so this is something that I love to wear in summers. Since we're talking about makeup, lips के लिए भी इतना ही important है that you should moisturize your lip, and for that I am currently using Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I told you in one of my videos that everyone was raving about this product, and that's the reason I purchased it. I'm personally loving this one. It is very moisturizing. So everyone should definitely use a lip balm. I'm not saying यही वाला use करो, but you should definitely use a lip balm during summers or winters or any season. Lips are something that you should keep hydrating time by time. So next thing from makeup section is lipsticks, and I like wearing nudes, and I like wearing pinks, I like wearing subtle colors in summers. I don't like wearing bold colors. So for lipstick, this is the shade that I'm currently wearing, and I'm loving this shade, and this is from Bella Vospe in the shade 16 Rose Plum, and this is the shade that is my kind of shade that I love wearing no matter whichever season it is. I love wearing nudes. And the another lipstick that I love wearing is from My Glam. It is from their My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipsticks, and I am in the shade 23 Hookup. So this is the shade. It is very new and very rusty color. So this is also a very nice color to wear it in summers, and you should definitely use nudes or pinks or reds if you like. So second last product for this video is a mascara, and I am loving this mascara. Since many years I'm using this mascara only. I've never switched any mascara. I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. So summers में ना it's better if you use a waterproof mascara, because you are sure that your mascara is not going to budge and वैसे नीचे कहीं भी किधर भी लगने नहीं वाला है. So for that you should definitely own a waterproof mascara, no matter be it any brand. So मैं use कर रही हूँ ये Maybelline वाला. So the final product for this video is an eye pencil that I am recently purchased, and I'm loving this one. This is from Color Bar. It's their Eye Glide eye pencil, and I'm in the shade 04 Electra. So this is something that I love wearing, and fun colors ऐसे blues, greens काफ़ी अच्छे लगते हैं summers में. So ये काजल जैसा ही है. It is very pigmented. I'll show you. See this, it is very pigmented, so एक swipe में ही लग जाएगा. So I love using these kinds of eye pencils, and कोई भी shade हो, अच्छे fun colors हो, you look beautiful. So these were some of my summer essentials that I love using, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you next time. Bye.